when we are triggered is not the time that we're doing the growing and learning. That's the time when we need empathy, help, support, tending to from people who are more resourced, who are going to help us get out of our very flooded, triggered, sometimes dissociated, sometimes warrior-like, sometimes fight mode, fleeing, whatever it is that our defensive system is doing. We're going to just work with ourselves. We're not going to try and be skillful. We're going to work on re-regulating our nervous systems and being very, very kind to ourselves and grieving and discharging the pain that is coming up and discharging that charge. That is healing work. And so we just go, oh, I've switched into healing work. I'm not going to worry about being skillful. In the other moments, because we want to then develop capacities to have online that aren't there yet, that will help serve as an internal resource when we get triggered the next time. Yeah. So those capacities we can practice without being triggered, without it being stimulated by something. And that's actually exactly what we do, right? In programs like all the nonviolent communication practice is that. How do I see the world through neutral observation? How do I connect to the sensations in my body? How do I track an emotion and feel a feeling from beginning to completion and discharge it from my body? Most of us don't know how to do that. Most of us still are learning how to do that. How do I connect my feelings to my needs? And I do that practice. How do I ask for what I want and what would help instead of getting stuck in the what is wrong with me, what is wrong with them thinking? Those capacities, we learn and grow them in a non-triggered state. You could have a daily practice of like, let me notice all of the times that I'm feeling good and find out what need of mine is being met. Oh, I feel delighted. Oh, why am I delighted? What need is being met? Clearly a need must be met. And what would make it even better? I start practicing my way into those thoughts. I start developing that neurology. And I'm doing that when I'm regulated and fine. And then that begins building those muscles. And then the next time that I'm triggered, there's a little more internal resourcing available to me than was there before.